Bohrium AI is being promoted as an all-in-one AI platform for scientific research, but a real question is whether it actually helps researchers, or if it's just another AI tool with big promises. Now, the idea behind this isn't fake. Bohrium is a real AI for science platform developed to help researchers search papers, analyze data, and manage workflows in one place. However, here's the key point. It's powerful for research tasks, but not a complete replacement for real scientific work. There are some strong positives. First, it centralizes research. Bohrium combines literature search, summaries, datasets, and even computing tools into a single platform, reducing the need to jump between multiple tools. Second, it has massive data access. The platform integrates over 170 million papers, patents, and researcher profiles, which helps with deep literature reviews and discovery. Third, it's designed specifically for science. Unlike general AI tools, it focuses on academic accuracy, citations, and structured knowledge, which is valuable for researchers. That said, there are some limitations. First, it still requires verification. Like any AI tool, outputs can miss context or include inaccuracies, so researchers still need to fact-check. Second, learning curve. With features like HPC tools and research workflows, it can feel complex for beginners. Third, not a full replacement. It helps with searching, summarizing, and organizing, but it doesn't replace critical thinking, experimentation, or peer review. From community discussion, trying to build the AWS of AI science workflows, promising but needs real proof. So, does Bohrium AI actually help researchers? Yes, but with limits. The bottom line is this. Bohrium is a legit and useful research tool, especially for literature search and workflow efficiency, but it works best as an assistant, not a replacement for real research skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.